Hi viewers, welcome to the show. Today we are going to be looking at sword. Sword. We have a given question on that and look at the options for the answers. In this kind of question, don't forget that whenever you are solving sword problem, that is when you are solving a problem related to irrational numbers. What you are expected to know is that from the number in the square root, you must get one perfect square that when you multiply with the other one, it will give you this number. Like example, in 12, think of one perfect square that when you multiply by another number, it will give you 12. 4 is a perfect square. So when you multiply 4 by 3, it will give you 12. So that is what you are going to use. So 4 times 3 is 12, isn't it? And the next thing is in 75. Think of the perfect square you can get from 75 that when you multiply by another number, it will give you 75. Let's say 25 times 3, it will give us 75. So 25 times 3 will give us 75. Now, you are going to split, or you take the square root of each of the perfect square. When you take the square root of 4, the answer will be 2. So 2 will come out of the square root because you have taken the square root of it. Now, when you take the square root of 25, you will have 5. So 3 will be left because the perfect, when you take the square root of 3, you will have decimal answers. So it will remain in the square root. Now what you are going to do now is that you have 2 root 3 and 5 root 3. So what you are going to do here now is that you just like, you say 2 oranges plus 5 oranges. That will give you 7 oranges, isn't it? 2 oranges plus 5 oranges, it will give you 7 oranges. Now if you look at the options we have here, we don't have anything like 7 root 3. So what you are going to do now is that you are going to move this 7 back to the square root. And how do you do that? How do you do that? Don't forget that when you take the square root of perfect square that can give us 7, you have 7. So what is the perfect square that can give us 7? That is 49. Because 7 times 7 is 49. When you take the square root of 49, you have 7. So meaning that it will now be 49 times 3. 49 times 3. This 49 is as a result of multiplying 7 by 7. Yeah, we get 49. So 49 times 3 will give us 147. So our answer is A. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.